I'm going to do, I'm going to spread this deck out. I'm going to spread that deck out, and I'm going to one of you.
Me and you.
I'll do you.
Yay!
I want you to look at the card really quickly and get it in your mind, but don't say anything. Just get it away. You ready?
You got to remember it.
You ready? You got one?
Yeah. I
want you to remember it.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't join
It was a red card.
Oh my god, mine was a red card. I'll get rid of that now.
It was a high card. Above a 7, was it?
Yeah.
Was it the 8 of diamonds?
Oh, what? No, seriously, what the fuck?
Why is he actually
The 8 of diamonds. You sure?
Yeah, he's actually
The 8 of diamonds. There isn't actually an 8 of diamonds in here. I don't know if
There was.
there's not one in there. Do you want to have a look? Oh shit!
Shut up! Where is it? Such a weird eye.
Someone opened my lucky cards.
Ready, guys? Ready, guys? You're looking at this card.